Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Prince from Ghana. Today's episode of my video is I am coming to unbox a packs from Cloudstaff. So come with me, let's do this together. I'm going to start by cutting the solution tape. Yeah. I don't know if I believe the information given that there is someone by your side. Okay. Coming back inside my body for a second, there is no way that I'm never gonna try. Hello. So actually, Cloudstaff is a company. So let me say, they give this food stuff from the company as a end of the year gift. Yeah. Anyway, so let's start with this. Wow, this chips ahoy. Wow, today I'm gonna enjoy these things. Yeah, I haven't tasted this before, but I'll try it. This is ham. Yeah, this ham. Wow. I'm going to also try it. This is spread. Yeah, bread spread, choco style. Yeah. So that's huge. This fruit cocktail. Yeah, this used for fruit salad, right? Yeah, it's used for fruit salad. And what do we have here? Champagne. This sweet wine. This wine, not champagne. This wine. Nice one. This one, let me keep it on the floor so that it's not going to burst. And I have some fruit juice here. Mango juice drink. Yeah. Great. Another one, which is lemon. Okay, this is fruit mix. Yeah. That is lemon, guava, mango, and pineapple. Yeah. I also have a milk here. Wow. Pure milk. Yeah. This festive season is going to be enjoyable. This is creamy. Yeah, it's also, should I say fresh milk or creamy? This. And this is mayonnaise. Yeah, that's mayonnaise. That's huge though. Wow. It's really gonna be. And this is macaroni. This is macaroni. Yeah. What do you have again? This spaghetti. Wow. I'm gonna enjoy spaghetti one of these days. Yeah. I'm gonna enjoy spaghetti. What do you have here? This is queso de bola. Wow. I think this cheese. Yeah, this cheese. I haven't tried it before, but I'm gonna try it one of these days and see how it tastes. That's also spaghetti sauce, Italian style. Spaghetti sauce, Italian style. Yeah. So this festival festive season is going to be great. Yeah. What do we have here? This is coffee mate. Yeah, so this, I think this is creamy for coffee. You use it for coffee. Yeah. And Nescafe Classic. Wow. So I think this is going to match with the creamy. Wow, it's going to be sweet. And last of the list, Alaska. This condensed milk. Yeah. So that's the last product in the box. Anyway, I would like to thank each and everyone who's watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, give some likes, some comments, and let us keep the channel moving. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Shout out to everybody. Yeah, peace out.